Hello children, good morning. I am your Hatasvi teacher from St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn our SS subject. I hope you all have written till unit 4 in your fair book. So today we are going to learn our 5th unit. The name of our unit is Earth Our Home. As we know, we live on the planet Earth. Dear children, you know that we are living on one planet and that is Earth. You must have heard, read and seen that the Earth is round. So you have heard or read somewhere or you have seen that our Earth is round. Since you live on Earth, you do not realize that the Earth is round. As we are living on Earth, we do not realize that the Earth is round. You cannot see its shape because the Earth is too vast. Means you cannot see the shape of the Earth because it is so long. How can we prove that the Earth is round? Do you know how can we prove that our Earth is round? If we go to the moon and look at the Earth, we observe that it is round. If we go on Earth, then we can see or we can observe that our Earth is round. Many astronauts have taken photographs of the Earth from space and the pictures show the spiral or round shape of the Earth. Many astronauts like Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams have gone on space and take the photographs of Earth from the space and proved that our Earth is round. So the globe. If you observe the globe, you will find horizontal and vertical lines drawn on it. So here inside figure number 5.2, the globe of Earth. You can see that there are vertical and horizontal lines are drawn on the globe. These lines are actually not drawn on the Earth and are imaginary lines. These lines are not there actually, or it is not drawn on the Earth, but it is our imagination or it is imaginary lines. The horizontal lines are called latitudes and the vertical lines are called longitudes. The line which is drawn horizontally, it is known as latitude, and the line which is drawn vertically, it is known as longitudes. So other questions: which latitude receive maximum light? Second one is which latitude receive the least amount of light? Then which latitude receives average light? Name the countries which receive light from the torch. The Earth is divided into various zones according to temperature and the heat of the sun. Means our Earth is divided into many zones according to the temperature and heat of the sun. These zones are called climatic zones or heat zones. These zones are known as climatic zones or heat zones. The figure 5.4 shows the climatic zones of the Earth. In 5.4 here you can see the different climatic zones. We can divide the Earth into 3 zones according to the amount of heat received. We can divide the Earth into 3 zones according to the amount of heat received, means how much amount of heat is there, and these are torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. In torrid zone there is extreme heat, means there is so much heat. Heavy rainfall is also there. Then high temperature is there. Then varied vegetation, means different vegetations are there. Then varied animals, different animals are there. Then second one is temperate zone. In temperate zone, moderate heat means medium heat. Then moderate rain means medium rain. Then moderate temperature, the temperature is medium. Few varieties of flora and fauna means there are only some varieties of different rainfall or flora and fauna. Then is frigid zone. There is extreme cold. So much cold is there in frigid zone. Then no rainfall. There is no rainfall. Then 9 months covered with ice and grass. Means in frigid zone for 9 months there are only ice. Then our next topic is continents and oceans. If you observe the globe, you will see that the earth is divided into land and water. If you see or observe the globe, you can see that our earth is divided into land and water. The large land masses are called continents. Means the land or areas which are fully means covered land is there, that is known as continents, and the large areas covered with water are called oceans. Means the large areas which are covered with water are called oceans. Then there are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. There are total 7 continents are there and 5 oceans are there on the earth. Draw an outline of each continent in the boxes given below using an atlas. So this is no need to do. Okay? And these all things you will get in PDF. Thank you.